Alright guys, we are at our cabin, which is Let There Be Light. This is your parking spot right here where I have good old Jolene. We walk back over here. I'm gonna go back a little bit. Don't want you all to be able to see my tag, but there's your parking spot right there. Of course, it has central AC, which is something I was kind of worried about. You do have a deck that's out of the master bedroom. This is the back, well, technically the front of the cabin. Now, one thing we found out when we got here is that it does have two parking spots. You do have that back parking spot over there, but you do have up to a line for a compact car. So if you have two people at Let There Be Light, full-size vehicle, compact, because across this line right here is the property for the next one. So we'll go up these stairs. Let me just go back a little because I'm way too big. Alright, we'll go up these stairs. Of course, trash can right here. Got a nice little hose out here. Nice little green bunch of bears. Welcome to the cabin. Outside plants. You got a nice little bear welcoming. Rocking chairs. You have a nice little outside table with 4 chairs. Two more rocking chairs. Of course, the hot tub, propane grill, and you have this, which is a amazing view of the mountains all the way around. So let's go inside. Go to the front door now. There is no key to get. Do have a passcode that you will get once you rent from the owner. Walk inside. Boom. Open floor plan. Kitchen, oven, electric burners, French door, refrigerator. We got stuff in the sink right now, so not going to film that. Nice little TV. We do have a little country music going on right now. Downstairs area. Love seat. Pretty much normal couch, rocking chair, propane powered fireplace. Nice little dining room table, bar seats. Come to the back. This is technically the master bathroom. Nice little sink, of course toilet. It's set up handicap, so you do have bars right there to get in and out. Nice little bless some hound dogs. Now, if you notice, everything is rustic, but that's what you want here. You want a little rustic look in a cabin. Got the shiny wood. Master bedroom, where the magic happens. Where it's got a backpack. I'm not gonna go that far because I got my shoes on the ground, but you do have a plug. Do got plugs here. Kayla shoes. 6 drawers right here. 3 drawers over there. Of course, fan. From the south, we gotta have fans. Live, laugh, love. Going here, this is the guest room. Got a queen size bed. Do have no TVs in there, but this is where you have extra storage. You do have also footage. That's for Jolene's outside. Do have another bathroom. What I do like it here though, it does have again set handicap. You got the handrail, oversized tub, everything like that. Now, one thing it took us a second to find was actually where the washer dryer was. Well, it's actually, now I'm sorry there's no light here, so it might be a little bad lighting, but it's actually in here. You got over under again. I apologize for the lighting. There's no light in this house right here. Okay, so let's go upstairs to the loft to the game room. So we're gonna come back to this awesome living room. If you notice, we've got nice big natural lighting up there, nice big fan. Okay, I'll come get it in a second. We have birds in the reef. All right, come up here. Again, it's loft style, so It's nice big open. What we have up here, another TV, another couch, deer themed rug, pool table. We got a nice little family. We got a nice little foosball, nice little hockey table. Of course, board games. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. We've been unloading and driving 15 hours. I'll get you. Right here, you got your rear balcony. Got two little chairs. Oh, what is that? I'm sorry, I'm a little bit of a nerd, but that's an old type of gas pump. Neat. Sorry, you just had an ADD session with me. Oh, also these layers outside have little deer accents. Okay, so that is the grand tour. I close that to Let There Be Light cabin. We found this on Airbnb. Again, had a great deal on it. I recommend looking it up on there. So this is TJ from Sevierville TN. You guys stay awesome, and I'm in this vlog right here. Bye.